Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to learn about sets in Python programming. So what are sets? Sets are the data types in Python programming which have similar function like mathematics sets. So there are some rules to create a set. First of all, set do not allow duplicacy, means values created, if I give in sets like a value s1, if I create s1 and give value 555, once the set is created it does not allow duplicacy. So if I press s1 now, duplicate values are being removed from it. So this is the first rule. Second rule, sets do not have indexing or slicing. That means there is no indexing or slicing in sets. If I try to access with the help of indexing, it will throw an error, as because it it cannot be subscriptable. So this is the second rule. Third is set do not allow mutable data types. So what is the rule of mutable data types? In sets that means in sets we cannot allow list or dictionary in it. It will throw an error. So sets do not contain mutable data types. So as soon as I press S1, unhashable type list is given. That's why it cannot be created. So this is the third rule. And last rule is that sets itself is a mutable data type. That means we can add values once the set has been created. So first of all, we will look at how empty sets are created. If I press S1 and give curly braces, it will not create a set. It will create a dictionary by default, because for default dictionary this is given. So as soon as we check the data type of S1, it will tell it is a dictionary. For creating a default an empty set, we have to provide sset like this and small brackets, then it will create an empty set. Now if I press S1, it is the type of empty set. Now we will look how to create a simple set. So for creating a simple set, we have to provide values inside a curly braces. So I created two sets with this, S1 and S2. Now S1 can also hold multiple values, as set is a mutable data type. It can also hold tuple. Tuple is also an not mutable data type. That's why it can hold that value, as we have seen in the rule that mutable data types sets do not hold. So I have given all the simple data type values, hello, tuple and a boolean value. So set can have this multiple values, as it is a, so last one is the curly braces over here. So as soon as I press S1, it has created that. As you can see, it has stored the value, but as you can see, there is no indexing or slicing. Means there is no indexing in the sets. So the way which the order in which we have sent the data is now different in the output of the set S1. So this proves that there is no indexing in sets. Now because there is no indexing in sets, we cannot access the data. Like if I try S10, we cannot access that data. It will throw an error because there is no indexing. Also we cannot edit any value in sets because there is no indexing. Now it will throw an error if I try to edit the value. As you can see, it is throwing an error. Not item assignment is not possible in sets. Although we can add values in sets, as it is a mutable data type. So if I want to add a value 6 in S1, it will add to it. And as soon as I press S1, it has added that data. As you can see, 6 has been added and it's shown in the output. Similarly, there are three ways to delete values from sets. First is deletion completely, del S1. It will delete the entire S1, but we cannot delete a particular value in sets using del function. So as soon as I press del S1, it has deleted the entire S1. So there is no S1 now. So I will recreate this S1, and now I will remove a particular value from it by using remove function. So in remove function, if I put hello, it will remove that value from it. Now if I press S1, as you can see that hello has been removed from the S1. Similarly, if I want to remove the last value, I can use pop. So S1 dot pop will remove the last value, that is 1. So this also tells that indexing is not possible in sets. That's why, because 1 is in the order first we have stored, now it is coming at the last. So as soon as I press S1, it has removed that. So also now if we have to do some operations on set, as I have created two sets over here, S1 and S2, so addition operation is not possible, or neither multiplication operation is possible on sets. As you can see, unsupported operand types. Similarly, S1 asterisk 3 multiplication operation is not also supported in this. So this way operations are not. So in the functions, we can run for loop on sets, like for S1, for I in S1, print I. So it will print all the values one by one. So this is, so for loop can run on S1. Now the functions, common functions that can run on sets are length S1, 5, min max, min. Similar, max can also run, minimum value is 1, maximum value is 6, this way. And sorted, once I use the sorted function, it will print S1 as a list. So as a list it has presented the S1. Apart from this, sets also have some function like union, similar in the mathematics, S1 dot union S2. So as once I press it, it will combine both the sets. I can also see S1 dot intersection, like mathematics intersection S2. It will show the values which are common in both, so 4 and 5. Similarly, there is difference. So there is no difference S2. So 1, 2, 3. As you can see, 1, 2 and 3 are different. Similarly, there is disjoint and is subset and is superset. In S1 dot is disjoint, S2 false. Similarly, is subset and is superset. Is S1 is subset of S2, and if I run, it will give the false value. So in this way we have covered the entire topic of sets. Thank you for watching this video, guys. In next video we will learn about dictionaries.